In modern shipping, a fouled hull is no longer just an efficiency loss, it is a massive regulatory liability. With global ports enforcing strict zero-tolerance policies on biofouling to halt invasive aquatic species, the maritime industry faces a critical choice: clean with total containment, or risk severe non-compliance penalties. The Schomberg Vacu-Cart and Reclaim Filtration Mark IV system is engineered to exceed the world's most stringent international standards of in-water hull maintenance. Operating at high speed, its multi-brush hydrodynamic vacuum assembly delivers an absolute clean without damaging expensive anti-fouling coatings. What sets the Mark IV apart is its unyielding commitment to environmental compliance. While the Vacu-Cart removes away biofouling, a powerful vacuum containment shroud ensures zero fouling escapes into the local harbor. The captured fouling is immediately driven through a patented three-stage filtration process, mechanically filtering particles down to a microscopic 20 microns. Finally, the water stream passes through our type-approved UV reactor, sterilizing the DNA chain of microorganisms before discharging pristine water back into the sea. The Mark IV delivers the ultimate commercial edge to your diving operations. By matching high-speed cleaning with absolute multi-stage reclamation, this system ensures your team can operate legally in ports with the most stringent environmental laws. The Mark IV turns environmental regulations into a competitive business advantage. Don't let tightening biosecurity laws restrict your business growth. Scale your service capabilities, protect your clients' vessel efficiency, and dominate the lucrative, zero-tolerance hull cleaning market. Equip your dive teams with the world's premier, certified in-water reclamation system. The Schomberg Mark IV system is now available for you.